Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the use state with a counter operation. Let's get start with this RAFC. It's a snippet. Hit this one. Then after that, we'll declare. Before declaration, just we'll set right that UI part in JSX. Then here, Control X. Just go through this React dot fragment. Within this, we'll use that div. Within this div, we are going to use that class name, which is equal to row. It is a bootstrap CSS, and margin top will give margin top also will give within this only file. Double quote close. Then here we need to give this double quote also, right? Then we'll declare. We can use that another one div. Within this, we'll use column class name equals to column, and that after that one we'll use that button button button. Within this, we'll use that form control. Let's verify this control C without this one. Just we will verify this button name. We should give here button name something decrement decrement. Then let's verify in the browser. See, there is no UI kind of good appearance. We need to apply this CSS kind of things. That is in the bootstrap. Class name is that form control control control. Just look here, the difference is some kind of appearance is there. Let's adjust that to some part. Column let's give 4. Then it is going to adjust to some place. Just refresh it. Then look here, decrement. Okay, likewise we'll follow that control X, control C, control V. It is for reset, reset. Just verify. Yeah, reset came. After that one, we'll apply that increment increment. So 3 buttons are available, and the 2 we can apply that primary. Control C here, where we can, yeah, here control V, and after that control V. After here also control V. Then look here, yeah, it looks good. Selected is it is showing toggling, not selected are appearing blue color. Then I think UI part completed. Let's go for that declaring the variables, that is counter COU and here counter, destructuring that. You can give any name here in this counter. Instead of that one, you can give any name. Set counter COUNTR. Here also you can give anything here, but you should give that small variable. There is no camel case, and here also you can give camel case, but single word you should give small letters. I mean only small letters. Here you can give camel case letters. Here also you can give camel case, but it's not required. So every time this set is you should give. If you don't give, no problem, but set if you give, then you can consider as, you can understand that it is a method. So here we are going to use that equals to useState useState then imported also above this C. Look here, imported. Otherwise we need to write this control C, control V dot react dot useState like this. Just remove this one. That's it. It will work. There is no error here. Instead of that one, shortcut is that this way, right? And here we'll give the initial value 0. After that we are going to write down the event handlers methods. Here for buttons on click we should use that, and at the same time here you can apply this set counter. This set counter we can call it here. How can we call it? Just use that callback function, then use that set counter, and within this you can give just pass the value, that is event dot target dot value eve and event. Here that through that it is an object event dot target dot value. So in this way also we can use this, and instead of writing this one, preferably not required here, just use that handle HA and write down the function here and call that outside handle decrement DEC, handle DEC, and here outside we'll give the method. We'll write on the method const handle DEC equals to, and here we need to pass that event. After that one equals to arrow function. In here we'll apply this set counter, control C, control V. Within parentheses we'll apply counter -1 because it is a decrement, na? Then that's it. That means directly we cannot apply for decrement event counter -1. So here what we need to do, event dot target dot value, we need to get that event dot target value. If it is an input, but it is not input, so it is not required here, and here also, so nowhere. So counter directly we can use. If it is the input box, then we need to use that event dot target value. Here it is a button, so directly we can use this like this. Control C and control V for reset, control V for it is for reset, RESET, handle control Z. Instead of DEC we should use that reset, RESET, reset. Here handle HA and D, handle control C, here also handle control, yeah, like that. Here also we need to write down the reset method. We need to call here reset method DEC instead of RESET, reset. So here we need to reset means it has to reset to the 0. Here it is a not a DEC, it is a INC, increment, INC for increment. Just change this on click event here, control C, control V here, and instead of this reset we can use that in INC here. Then yeah, everything is perfect, it is no issue at all. Let's verify that, refresh it. We are applying decrement, reset, increment, so actions are performing, but there is no value, we are not displaying anywhere. We'll display here in h1 tag the counter value within curly bracket JSX format, that is COUNTR, counter. Let's verify that. Yeah, initially we assigned the value is here, that is 0, that's why it is showing 0. If you press that decrement, it is going to decrement. If you reset it, it is going to 0. If you press on, here we have not changed the symbol of that, it is increment, no? So increment it, reset it first and decrement it, reset it, increment it and reset, decrement -1, reset to 0, increment it and if you want to reset, reset. The operation is performing as we expected. So this counter, instead of that one, you can give any name. Set counter also you can give any name. For understanding, you must follow the set in front of the variable, and it is a camel case letter. This counter is a, you can, if you have lengthy word of your variable name, you can give camel case also, but for initially we should give the small letters all. So here we have given 0. Instead of 0, if we give initial value 10, directly it is going to appear 10 here. Then we can do operation reset to 0, initial value reset to 0, like this. Then I think this row also you understood, this column how it is we adjusted, and event handling, how we are calling outside, how we are calling this one outside of these definitions also you understood, I think. So here counter value finally we are displaying. In this way we can apply the counters. So that's it, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.